My name is Vaibhav and I'm the founder of a financial services firm in Bangalore which goes by the name Dexterous 2 Advisors Private Limited. How much insurance do I need is $1 million question which we are going to discuss in today's video. You see, when it comes to your life insurance, there is no one better than you to judge your own requirement. A life insurance product covers the risk, financial risk, that the people who are going to be left behind face in case something were to happen to you. So it's a very simple arithmetical calculation that you have to do to understand what is the money that is required to take care of that. There are a lot of concepts to figure this out. Some of them say that, say for example, you're making X amount of money on an annual basis, multiply it with the number of years that you're going to work for. That is the life insurance requirement which you have. Some people say whatever annual income that you have, multiply it with 10, and that is the life insurance requirement which you have. Some concepts also go a little illustrative. They say that whatever income that you have, multiply it with the number of years that you are going to work for, add whatever liabilities you have, dreams you have, minus the financial instruments which you have invested in. That is the life insurance cover that you need to have. My approach to it is a little simplistic. It comes from the idea of covering your expenses and only limiting the discussion to financial instruments. So here's what you need to do. Whatever expenses that you have on an annual basis, multiply it with the number of years that you think you would be working for. Add whatever liabilities you have. So whatever loans you have have to be added to it, minus whatever financial assets you have. The number that you arrive at is the money that you need as your sum assured for coverage. In my opinion, you need to keep it this simplistic, bringing in the future value concepts, the inflation into picture, the valuation of other asset classes. All those things are only going to complicate. None of us can gauge into the crystal ball and say that inflation is necessarily going to be this much. Or this asset class is going to appreciate by this much. So restrict your discussion to the financial instruments alone, and I think you will be able to make a fairly wise decision of investing without having to complicate it too much. That is all that I wanted to discuss. I hope you found it useful. If at all you found it useful, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it as much as possible, and thanks for watching.